Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, ngibone enye interview kaKenny Kunene la. Oyiformer member ye-EFF. So khulunywa into eziningi ke ngabona nemibono ehlukene yabantu. Ngiyafisa ukuthi sikhulume ngayo le video le. Kune post engiyibonile loku Twitter eyaziwa ngeX ebibhalwe kanje. Ithi so uFloyd Shivambu ubelokhe inyoka sonke lesikhathi. Waya endlini kaKenny Kunene wakhuluma kabi ngoJulius engazi while uJulius yena emrefera ezubhuti wakhe. Ya sizongena kulolu daba bese sikhuluma ngalo ngoba ngiyafisa sixoxe ngalo lolu daba ukuthi kwenzakalani. Lana uKenny Kunene usekwi PA manje ilabo uJulius Malema babiza ngamabhantinti ngoba bangama ex-convict beno Gaten Mackenzie. Ngifisa ukuthi silibheke lolu daba. Kodwa ngaphambi singene kule video eyenziwe i-Eyewitness News. Ngifisa ukubeka ukuthi uKenny Kunene uveza isizathu esenza ukuthi ubudlelwane bakhe ne-leader ye-EFF bungahambi kahle. So ngifuna ukuthi ngibeke udaba elizoshow uKenny Kunene, ngibeke ukubona kwami bese ngifisa ukuzwa ukubona kwakho. Sesikuzwile ukubona kwalo yansizwa leya ezinoma usiso sibiza ngokuthi umsunika Yonan Rupert ukuthi ukubona kwakho ubona ngathi uFloyd waye wrong. Ngizodlala ivideo bese ngibeka ukubona kwami ngifisa ukuzwa umbono wakho kodwa la ku comment section ngicela uzwe.
When we went to Sebokeng and Sasolburg, so I arrived about 2-3 minutes after them, but Julius was already addressing people because we had to go to Sasol. So as I come in, people started screaming for my name. So he gets angry. Don't celebrate late coming. Sharp, no problem. He addresses them. We move to Sasolburg. There's a pavilion packed, young people there. We have a buggy, we use it as a stage, we are sitting there. So when we came in, we were holding hands, me and him, because we were the face at the time. So he addresses them. After he addresses them, they start saying, Kenny, Kenny, Kenny. Now he's walking back to us. And they are stamping their feet on the pavilion. Kenny, Kenny. So he comes to me and says, hey, Kedam, go and greet the masses. But you can see the face, the anger. So we go there. I go there, I address quickly, step down, but I know, I saw the man. We walk out, we are no longer holding hands as we greet the crowd, no problem, I get in my car, gets in his car. So we agreed when we left that we'll go to his house to do a postmortem. I decided to go to my house. Floyd calls me, hey, Baba, where are you? I said, no. I decided to come to my house. I said, no. Let's meet. Floyd comes to my house. Hey, Baba, you've outshined the master. What do you expect the master to do? I said, now you are talking 48 laws of power. Robert Greene. He said, exactly. What do you expect the master to do?
So ngokusho kaKenny Kunene la uJulius wathi mayiqeda address abantu base bezibizela bona ukuthi bafuna uKenny Kunene akhulume. Wayesephoqwa isimo kusho uKenny wayesephoqwa isimo ukuthi akamnikeze imic abingelela abantu kodwa wabona uJulius ukuthi akajabulile. Uthi uFloyd ekubona lokho kwakunesivumelwano sokuthi bazoya emzini kaJulius bagcina bengayanga uKenny wa decide ukuya kwakhe ngoba ebonile ukuthi uJulius akajabulanga ngento eyenzekile. Emveni kwalapho uFloyd wamfonela. Manje ufika uthi kuye you've outshined the master. Uthi lo manje into sokukhuluma ngayo i48 laws of power. Kune incwadi ekuthiwa i48 laws of power. Kune law ethi never outshine the master. So into ayikhulumayo le ukuthi eshuwe le yansizwa ukuthi uFloyd waba wrong. Isiphi mina ngesingami angiliboni iphutha kuFloyd ngoba uFloyd wayemtshentenzela ntendoda. Uyabona lento eyenzekile ayikubekanga endaweni enhle noJulius ngoba uJulius ngokumazi kwethu akafuni kube nomuntu okuzothi ungaphe kwakhe. Uyena ofuneka abe ngaphezulu kwabo bonke abantu. Kodwa mase sekukhona umuntu ozoba ngaphe kwakhe uyabona kodwa ukuthi uzidonsela amanzi ngomsele. So mina ngesingami angiliboni mina iphutha elenziwa uFloyd kunokuthi awukhuluma noJulius. Kufuneka akhulume noKenny. Yabona uma ufuna ukuthi ubudlelano bakho noJulius buqhubeke ungayenzi lento oyenzayo. Ngoba uJulius akamfuni umuntu okuzothi ungaphe kwakhe. Asiqhubeke.
Then we go to a meeting, and he then says in the meeting that there's some business people that are saying they want to fund the EFF, but they can't fund the EFF with the sushi key in there. Can't fund sushi.
With convicted criminals in the room. Was
No.
it just about sushi?
Sushi.
Or it's about your sushi ways?
Sushi, yes.
Must I explain the sushi ways to my listeners, to our people?
Yes.
The way you're facing
I
it,
ate
yes.
sushi of naked women.
That's what Kenny
Celebrating
Kunene
my
was.
40th birthday.
Yes, that's exactly what he did.
So,
Down the road here in Santon, actually.
yes.
Kneeling is Za.
Za on
See, I
top of
even
Radisson
remember.
Hotel. So, and I still did a butt naked sushi at Taboo.
Anyway, so he enjoyed
Yeah.
sushi off of naked
Yes.
women.
So-
So he didn't want sushi. Business people didn't want to work with the EFF
Business people are saying.
because of the sushi king.
Yes.
Okay.
So we are sitting, Nitama is there, he's just joined, all of us are there. Now, he then says, what is the view of everyone? No, Ramakatsa then says, no.
Of course, Mpora Makatsa.
Ramakatsa says, no. They are sitting in front. Let's get the views of everyone. So he starts, everybody says, no. We can't be dictated to by capital. If they don't want to give money, let them leave it. Nitama also says, no. We can't be dictated to by capital. Otherwise, we are the same as others. But there's one young man who came from Gauteng here, was working very hard with us. He then says, but people are saying they can't join a party of somebody who is accused, who is in court, accused
Because
of having
he
collapsed.
had on point.
He had a
engineering
case at the
corruption
time.
in
He
Limpopo,
was attending
yeah.
a case in Limpopo. So this young man says, but people are saying to us, why would they join a party led by somebody who is facing criminal charges in Limpopo, who has collapsed government, which means he's going to collapse government in a bigger scale. We are defending you. Why are you not defending Fighter Kenny? We can't be dictated to by capital. We are defending you. Kenny went to prison. He finished his term. We all know that. When you are still facing a court case, we are defending you. CIC. So then Ramakatsa came in on the same line. And the meeting agreed that no. Kenny stays because he was saying, I must step out. I must work in the background.
Okay.
I must not be seen. Which was selfish because he saw what happened in Sasolburg.
And
So there was no businessman who refused to fund the EFF because of sushi. No. He was threatened because
yeah, you're saying he was
knew.
jealous. He was
Yes.
threatened.
No. He knew what that action implied. When Thabo Mbeki was the president, every time President Thabo Mbeki speaks, once he's done at the stadium, the masses will chant, Ju, 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 Ju. Then he must be called to come and address the masses. Jacob Zuma was the cleverer one. When he took over, he said, all the alliance partners must speak before me, including the leaks, which made Julius to speak before he speaks. So
Zuma
after he
managed
speaks, after he speaks, nobody's calling for Jude. So he knew that with that chant, after he speaks, once the leader has spoken, nobody must speak.
No.
He knew what
That would
it
undermine him. And
he
it's a
knew
threat.
what it meant, that I might emerge more powerful than him in the organization.
So usasholo yena ko Kenny Kunene ukuthi inkinga enkulu kaJulius Malema ukuthi waye akafuni ukube khona umuntu ozomedlula. Angazi noma lokho akusho kuyiqiniso noma akusiliqiniso kodwa nje usho njalo uthi akafuni kube khona umuntu ozomedlula ku-organization. Ufuna kube nguye. Manje ingakho ngiletha le video la kuwe ngithi asike silixoxe lolu daba. Uvumelana nale yansizwa ukuthi uFloyd waye wrong noma uvumelana nami engithi mina hayi uFloyd wayengekho wrong. uFloyd wayekhuluma ngoba abantu mawuphila nabo ubazi uyamazi umngani wakho. Yingakho uzokwazi ukutshela omunye ukuthi hlehla ndoda ngoba uzongena enkingeni lensizwa siyayazi. Ya siyayazi. Enye into ke engingayibeka mina ngesingami. Uyabona ku-EFF uma uJulius Malema ekuncomile bonke ama-fighters azokuncoma. Uma uJulius Malema wathi akakuthandi abasidingi isizathu sokungakuthandi bavele bangakuthandi bonke. Bavele bangakuthandi nje bonke ngoba bafuna ukujabulisa yena akufanelanga yena angayithanda into wena bese uyayithanda. Ngikusho lokhu ngoba ngicela uzwe la.
Asking, do you have a personal beef with Mr. Shibambu? The reason I'm asking is not about what you just said now, but even when he left, you were one of those people who were very steadfast on exposing this political miscategorization of what he called his move to be, and you disagree. But you were the most vocal in terms of that particular debate that was unfolding at the time, to a point that you guys were threatening to spill each other's beans and air the dirty linen of each other in the public. So it sort of reached a point where people sort of thought, hey, there's a personal beef between these two chaps.
No, I don't have any personal beef with him.
Yeah.
Nothing. There's nothing personal. I had to characterize correctly what he was doing.
Yeah.
Because he was manipulative when he had that press conference in Winnie Mandela House.
Yeah.
We spent a couple of days not really sure how to react to it because he was leaving and then was prescribing how we must respond.
Yeah.
So once we came to the proper realization that this is manipulative, we needed to characterize it accordingly and we needed to be aggressive about that.
Yeah.
So it was political, purely political. There's nothing personal about it. He became personal and threatened to do things, and then I threatened to do things back, which I in hindsight regret because I'm not interested in those type of politics, but it's his type of politics. So I just needed to illustrate to him that if he wants to go to the gutter, I can go to the gutter too. But I couldn't care less about him.
Yeah. Did you relate with him well when you were still this side?
I related with him politically.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was nothing.
It was a political relationship.
Yeah. There was nothing to really. He's not a relatable guy.
Yeah.
I'll say that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you mean he's not a relatable guy? Is it too stiff or what?
I don't know what is his challenge, and I prefer not to speak about it. But there's no one who I can think would say that they related well. Perhaps it was his personality. He's got his own personality, and I don't think people should be judged about their personality.
Or you think he has a personality that's difficult to understand or relate to?
Yeah, I think he's got his own personality that he should be allowed to have. And I don't think we should be judged on that either.
Yeah.
But I don't think there was nothing beyond work.
Lono bekhuluma uSinawo Thambo owareplace owathatha indawo kaFloyd Shivambu eParliament. Kodwa ke bambuza umbuzo ukuthi sibonile emveni okuhamba kaFloyd buvocal. Une personal beef nana? No, it was not personal. Yingoba uJulius wanele wakhombisa ukuthi into enze uFloyd akayithandi. Kwakufuneka bangayithandi nabo. Ngoba phela ngeke usukeleke nje ube aggressive to someone. Uxabane naye impela kuze kubonakale uma esho something ufuna wena ukuyi-oppose ukuze size sonke sicabanga ukuthi cha lo muntu ngoba vele beninonke la kunento enibanga personal thothi awunaniki soyibanga personal naye. Yingakho ke ngithi uma uJulius into engayithandi nabo abayithandi. Bengibuka ivideo kaKing Said So wakhuluma ngomunye umbono bekwenye indoda wathi kodwa ngeke wenzeke ngoba unless uJulius ejazi leyambono lo yawenzeke ama-fighter kanjalo noma yina isho uJulius yenzeka. Yazi ngicabanga ngelinye ilanga ngithi uma ngathiwa uJulius step down as president kazi iEFF ingaba ilokho esiyibona yikho na lento enginokuyicabanga nje mina. Kodwa nje kule video ngifisa ukuthi njengoba umzwile uKhenny Kunene ekhuluma ngakulethela futhi noSinawo Thambo ukufakazela into ebengiyisho. Ngifisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Ngabe uFloyd ube wrong na ngokulanda uKhenny Kunene amtshela ukuthi hey lento yenzile izokufaka enkingeni noJulius because you've outshined the master now. Ngabe wrong na? Kwakufuneka yeke uJulius na afika thini kuye. Yilokho engifisa ukuzwa kuwe. Ngoba mina ngesingami ngibona uFloyd right ukuthi alanda uKhenny amxwayise ngoba okokuqala uyamazi umuntu abadila naye. Futhi lo muntu uyamazi ukuthi ufuna ukushayina yena akafuni kuvela omunye umuntu ozoba ngathi ungcono kunaye. So uma ubhekene nesimo esinje qaphela ungakuphindi lokhu okanye uma ukuphinda uzokubona kwabona uSawuli. So ingakho ke ngithi ngesingami angiliboni mina iphutha. Umuntu uma uphila naye uyamazi futhi ke akekho umuntu owazi uFloyd njengoJulius. Akekho umuntu owazi uJulius njengoFloyd. Uthi ufikile Mbalula mayikhuluma uthi labantu laba lento ekuthiwa baxabene ayikho. Labantu bangabangani abangabangani. Njengoba usinawo Thamba ethi akekho umuntu bekwazi ukurelate noFloyd kwi-EFF kodwa uJulius ngoba bazana kahle uyazi ngidila nomuntu onjani. So from kuleyo perspective nami nje mangabe ngimazi umngani wami ukuthi unjani ngingamlanda umxwayisa umuntu endoda aqaphela uzoba nenkinga. Ngicela ukuzwa ukuphawula kwakho. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.